Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, your regular first aid immigrant solution. So what I'm going to do today is I've been using this laptop for the past 4 years. And over the weekend, I tried to put it on. If you can see, the charging port is not charging the battery inside this laptop. And I've also ordered my battery from Amazon today. It just came today, so I posted it in my Facebook page to tell us that I can also showcase this is my computer engineering after 27 years. So these keys I grabbed these keys back then when I was in Uniben. So I just want to showcase all these skills. So if you can see the BIOS, when you turn on the laptop, it's saying the computer BIOS. When I take away the charging port, the computer will go off because the battery cannot retain charge anymore. So due to the capacitor in that battery has died down. So what I need to do now is I need to replace the battery. So first of all, I will unbox the pack to see what they sent to me from Amazon, if it's the right battery. So as you can see, I'm unboxing it now. And for those of you who also want me to fix your laptop or your computer, please just reach out to me. So this is the new battery I ordered, and it also came with a screw as well. And I also have my screw. So that is fine, that is nice. Oh, it also came with this as well to open the laptop. So this is the battery, a lithium battery made in China. And they said is a rechargeable battery, and it has about 41.9. So this is the one I'm replacing now. So let's see how to unscrew everything and remove the back cover. So I will be fast a bit, so in case if you didn't hear me speak, I'll have to do it quickly. So I'm removing everything around. So I don't want to lose any screw. The reason why I'm using my hand glove is because of there are some power from earth that is the charge that is in our pan. I don't want it to short circuit some of the components in my laptop. Though this laptop is not that old, but just that it fell from my hand multiple times. So I'm using it for so many research. I don't want to lose those information inside. I should be able to replace the hard disk. Oh, I think one fell on the floor. I will look for that one later. Don't worry. So I should be able to look for that one later. So it's been a while I've fixed laptop or computer, because this was my job before coming to Italy, then UK. So but now I'm now moving to healthcare. So still on computer, all skills is still useful. So what we'll just do, we'll make sure that I don't try to fill it. You can also use this that came with the battery to fill it in between the edge, or you can use your screwdriver, but I prefer to use my hand, it's easier. So most of all these casing nowadays, they are very, very fragile. So you have to handle them with care because, wow. So you have to handle them with care because most of all these things are fragile. So this is the one that I'm going to replace. Do you see it now? So I think it fits exactly good. That is the one. I'm going to quickly replace it now. So then I will make sure that I charge the battery. So when you are doing this, make sure that you remove the power source. And you have to be careful so that any nuts that fall on this motherboard or the RAM, you might short circuit the motherboard when you turn it on. So you have to make sure that there is no nut that hide or left they're going to leave behind the motherboard. So to avoid short circuit, you have to be careful. So why I'm losing this now so quickly, so in case if you still need any help with your laptop, don't just throw away your laptop if it's not charging. So you have to check. Let me use the other screw that came with it. Where is my screw? Let me use screwdriver that came with it. Where is it? So this one is a bit smaller. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So this is the one that I'm replacing. So I'm going to swap it with this. So it's still going to fit in. So once you make sure that it's seated properly, then you go back again and unscrew everything back. There you go. So this video, I will not make it too long. I just want to do it snappy. Alright then. So well, I've succeeded in replacing the battery, which is this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover the casing back again. So before you cover it, you have to make sure that there is no nut that is left behind, because sometimes you might not know some nut might fall inside, and that one can short circuit the motherboard or other electronics component inside. So when you put everything back, so what I normally do is you try to open it again, make sure that it is sealed properly. So all the sides are fitted properly. So when you hear a crack, it means the casing is seated properly. So then I can now unscrew it. But before I unscrew it, I will do a test run. So I'm going to plug the power cable back on. So usually it used to blink white. So if it's showing red, it means the power cable is charging the battery. So I'm supposed to leave this computer for a while to charge before I turn the computer on. Because it's still on power source, I can turn it on before I screw the computer. So let me press the power button to see what I've done. Good. So the chips is still on. Please wait. So there you go. So which means the computer is working perfectly. So that is it. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to shut it down once it finishes booting. I will. Good. So I will shut it down. Then I know that job done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to screw the last bit in, and that's it. So thank you very much. I've succeeded in replacing my battery, and if you take this one to the shop, it will cost you about £100 or 120 euros, which is a lot of money this time around. So I'm going to screw everything back again, and that is it. And thank you very much for viewing. So if you have any question, don't forget to leave your comments on the comment section. And if you need any tutorial class on how to fix your laptop or computer, you can send me or DM me or message me on First Aid Immigrant Solution, or go to my Facebook as well, First Aid Immigrant Solution on Facebook, and I will answer any question regarding to computer. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.